What happens when rough yak wool leaves the freezing mountain pastures and enters a modern textile factory? At first, it looks like nothing more than dark, tangled animal fiber, uneven, dusty, and far removed from the smooth luxury coats sold in high-end stores. But behind the doors of a modern wool processing facility, an extraordinary transformation begins. Powerful machines separate, clean, refine, spin, weave, cut, and shape the raw natural fiber until it becomes something completely different. A material collected from animals living in some of the world's harshest mountain environments can eventually become a warm, elegant luxury coat designed for modern life. The journey begins far away from the factory, across high-altitude grasslands and mountain valleys where yaks move through open landscapes surrounded by green slopes, rocky hills, and wide skies. These powerful animals are naturally adapted to extremely cold environments and grow thick coats made of different types of hair. Beneath the longer, coarser outer fibers is the softer insulating fiber that makes yak wool valuable for premium textile production. The peaceful countryside looks completely different from the industrial world that comes later. Here, there are no giant machines, no conveyor belts, and no factory noise, just animals, herders, open land, and one of nature's most remarkable fibers. During the natural fiber collection season, experienced herders carefully gather the usable wool from the yak coats. The raw fiber is collected and organized before being prepared for the next stage of the supply chain. Because the quality of the final textile depends heavily on the condition of the original material, the collected wool is handled carefully from the beginning. Different fibers can vary in length, texture, color, and overall quality, making the first sorting stages extremely important. The raw yak wool is gathered into large bundles and moved toward collection points, where workers begin organizing the material. At this stage, obvious unwanted material is removed and the wool is grouped according to its general characteristics. The fiber is packed into large protective bags and prepared for transportation. What started as a natural material moving across mountain pastures is now beginning a journey toward a completely different environment, one filled with industrial machinery and advanced textile technology. Large transport vehicles are loaded with the packed yak wool. Workers organize the bags carefully inside the vehicle so the material can be moved efficiently toward the processing facility. As the trucks leave the mountain countryside, the scenery slowly changes. Green valleys, grazing animals, and open landscapes begin to disappear behind long roads and industrial routes. The raw fiber is now traveling toward the factory where its biggest transformation will begin. Eventually, large industrial buildings appear ahead. The trucks arrive at a modern textile processing complex, where huge receiving areas and storage facilities handle large quantities of natural fiber. The bags of raw yak wool are unloaded and moved into the factory receiving department. Workers inspect the incoming material and begin separating the fiber into organized batches. Before the wool can become a refined textile, it must pass through a series of carefully controlled processes designed to improve its cleanliness, consistency, softness, and overall quality. The first major transformation begins with sorting and preparation. Raw yak wool contains a mixture of fibers that are not all suitable for the same final purpose. The factory must separate the valuable fine fibers from coarser material and unwanted impurities. Workers and specialized machinery carefully organize the raw fiber before deeper cleaning begins. Each batch is handled according to the characteristics required for the final textile. Next, the wool enters industrial cleaning systems. Large washing equipment uses carefully controlled processes to remove dirt, natural oils, dust, and other unwanted material collected during the fiber's journey from the mountain environment. The rough raw wool moves through water, washing systems, and mechanical equipment while the factory carefully manages the process. As the cleaning continues, the fiber gradually begins to look lighter, cleaner, and more suitable for precision textile processing. But washing is only the beginning. One of the most important stages comes next, separating the finer usable fiber from the longer and coarser outer hair. Specialized dehairing systems process the cleaned yak wool, helping isolate the softer material used for premium textile products. Large mechanical systems handle enormous quantities of fiber while carefully separating different characteristics. This step dramatically changes the appearance of the material. What once looked like a rough mass of natural hair begins to become a cleaner, more refined textile fiber. After separation, the refined fiber moves into advanced carding systems. Huge carding machines open, straighten, and align thousands of individual fibers. The tangled material is gradually transformed into a more uniform web as rotating mechanical components comb and organize the fibers. Sensors and technicians monitor the machinery to maintain a consistent flow. The goal is to create a smooth, even preparation that can move into the next stage without major irregularities. The aligned fibers are then drawn into continuous strands. These strands become increasingly smooth and controlled as they pass through additional textile machinery. Small changes in fiber tension, moisture, speed, or alignment can affect the quality of the final yarn, which is why technicians remain close to the production systems. Modern machinery provides remarkable speed and consistency, but experienced workers still play an important role in monitoring conditions and making adjustments when the material requires attention. Then comes one of the most recognizable stages in textile manufacturing, spinning. The prepared yak fibers enter spinning machines that gradually transform the loose material into strong, continuous yarn. The machines carefully twist and control the fibers while large spools begin collecting the finished yarn. Slowly, the raw mountain fiber becomes something completely different, a refined textile material capable of being turned into fabric. Rows of spinning machines operate continuously as technicians inspect the yarn for consistency. Large cones and spools are carefully wound and prepared for fabric production. Depending on the final design, the yarn may move toward weaving or knitting systems. For a luxury coat, the textile must have the right balance of warmth, structure, softness, and durability. Inside the next production department, the refined yak yarn enters advanced textile machines. Computer-controlled knitting systems or industrial weaving equipment transform the yarn into large sections of fabric. Thousands of moving needles, guides, and mechanical components work together at high speed. Gradually, the yarn that once existed as loose fiber becomes a real textile surface. Large rolls or shaped fabric sections emerge from the machines, ready for further treatment. The newly produced textile then enters finishing. This stage helps improve the feel, appearance, softness, and final structure of the material. Industrial washing, drying, pressing, and finishing systems carefully process the fabric so it becomes suitable for luxury garment production. Workers inspect the material as it moves through the factory, checking for uneven areas, surface imperfections, and consistency problems. The textile now looks far removed from the rough raw wool collected in the mountains. Once the fabric is approved, it moves toward the garment production department. Here, designers and production planners prepare precise patterns for luxury coats. Computer-guided cutting systems arrange the pattern pieces carefully across the fabric to reduce unnecessary waste while maintaining the natural appearance and direction of the material. Large cutting machines create the major coat components, front panels, back panels, sleeves, collars, pockets, and other pieces needed to construct the final garment. The cut sections move to skilled sewing stations, where experienced garment workers begin assembling the coat. Industrial sewing machines join the panels together with precise seams. Sleeves are attached, collars are constructed, pockets are added, and linings may be installed depending on the design. Slowly, separate pieces of refined yak fabric begin to take on a recognizable shape. What was once a loose natural fiber is now becoming a complete luxury garment. Next comes the detailed finishing stage. Workers refine edges, check seams, attach final components, and carefully inspect the coat's shape. Pressing and conditioning equipment help create a clean, polished appearance. Every section is checked to make sure the garment meets the required standards. Quality control teams inspect stitching, fabric consistency, fit, structure, and overall presentation. The finished luxury coats are then carefully prepared for packaging. Each garment is cleaned, folded, or protected, and placed into suitable packaging for storage and transportation. The completed products move into an organized warehouse where they are grouped and prepared for distribution. From there, the luxury yak wool coats can begin their final journey toward fashion retailers, premium clothing brands, warehouses, and customers around the world. And when you look back at the complete journey, the transformation is remarkable. A yak moved through a cold mountain landscape. Natural wool was collected and prepared. The rough fiber traveled from peaceful countryside to a modern industrial factory. It was sorted, cleaned, refined, dehaired, carded, spun into yarn, transformed into fabric, cut into precise patterns, sewn into garments, finished, inspected, and finally turned into a luxury coat. What makes this process fascinating isn't simply the final garment. It's the combination of nature, traditional animal husbandry, advanced fiber processing, powerful textile machinery, precision engineering, skilled workers, and strict quality control. Every stage depends on the stage before it. The factory cannot produce a premium coat without refined yarn. The spinning department cannot create quality yarn without properly prepared fibers. And the entire industrial process begins far away from the factory, with the natural fiber produced in the mountain environment. That is what makes the journey from raw yak wool to luxury fashion so extraordinary. A material that begins as a rough natural fiber can pass through some of the most advanced textile systems in the world and emerge as a refined product designed for comfort, warmth, durability, and style. From the mountains to the factory, from raw wool to refined fiber, and from spinning machines to a finished luxury coat, this is the incredible hidden journey behind one of nature's most valuable textile materials. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.